Emerging professions occupation, occupations job, description. AI specialist develops and implements artificial intelligence systems and applications. Blockchain developer designs and manages blockchain-based applications and platforms. Data scientist analyzes large data sets to extract insights for decision-making. Cybersecurity analyst protects systems and networks from cyber attacks. Machine learning engineer builds models that allow systems to learn from data and improve over time. Digital marketing specialist promotes products and services through online platforms and strategies. Cloud architect designs and manages cloud computing systems for businesses. DevOps engineer ensures smooth collaboration between development and IT operations teams. Drone operator operates drones for surveillance, delivery, or media production. Ethical hacker identifies security vulnerabilities in systems to improve defenses. Metaverse developer creates immersive virtual environments for the metaverse. UX designer designs user experiences for websites, apps, and digital tools. Virtual reality developer builds VR environments for gaming, education, and training. Augmented reality developer develops AR applications that integrate virtual elements into real-world settings. Genetic counselor provides advice on genetic testing and inherited conditions. Sustainability consultant helps organizations implement eco-friendly practices. Big data engineer manages and processes massive data sets for businesses and research. Space tourism guide prepares and guides clients for space travel experiences. Subscription economy manager oversees subscription-based business models to maximize retention. Quantum computing scientist works on the development of quantum computers and their applications. Behavioral data analyst studies consumer behavior patterns to guide business strategies. AI ethicist addresses ethical concerns related to artificial intelligence. 3D printing specialist uses 3D printing technology to create parts and products. Robotics engineer designs and builds robots for industries such as healthcare and manufacturing. Digital twin specialist creates virtual models of physical objects for simulation and testing. Esports analyst studies gaming strategies and player performance in esports. Esports coach trains professional gamers for competitive tournaments. Bioinformatics scientist combines biology and computer science to analyze biological data. Food technologist develops new food products and improves processing techniques. Health informatics specialist manages data and technology in healthcare systems to improve efficiency. Urban farmer grows crops in urban spaces using innovative farming techniques. Energy analyst evaluates energy usage and efficiency for individuals or organizations. Digital forensics expert investigates cybercrimes by analyzing digital evidence. Telemedicine specialist. Provides remote healthcare consultations through technology. Renewable energy technician. Installs and maintains renewable energy systems like solar panels or wind turbines. Social media manager. Oversees content and engagement on social media platforms for businesses. Podcast producer. Creates and edits audio content for podcasts. Gaming content creator. Produces entertaining content around video games for platforms like Twitch. Climate change analyst. Studies the effects of climate change on ecosystems and societies. Electric vehicle technician. Repairs and maintains electric and hybrid vehicles. E-commerce specialist. Manages and grows online retail businesses. Fitness tech specialist. Designs and implements technology for personal fitness and health tracking. Digital health coach. Guides individuals on using technology for better health management. Voice assistant developer. Builds and improves voice recognition software like Alexa or Siri. Space engineer. Develops technologies for use in space exploration. Business and finance. Accountant. Manages financial records, prepares tax returns, and ensures compliance. Financial analyst. Analyzes financial data to guide investment decisions. Investment banker. Advises on financial transactions like mergers and acquisitions. Auditor. Examines financial records to ensure accuracy and compliance. Economist. Studies economic data to forecast trends and guide policies. Marketing manager. Creates strategies to promote and sell products or services. Entrepreneur. Starts and manages their own business ventures. Business consultant. Advises companies on improving performance and efficiency. Real estate agent. Assists clients in buying, selling, or renting properties. Business analyst. Analyzes business operations to identify opportunities for growth. Stockbroker. Buys and sells stocks and securities on behalf of clients. Operations manager. Oversees day-to-day operations within a company. Human resources manager. Manages employee relations, recruitment, and benefits. Corporate lawyer. Handles legal issues for businesses, including contracts and compliance. Risk manager. Identifies and mitigates risks to an organization's financial health. Tax advisor. Provides advice on tax planning and compliance. Supply chain manager. Oversees the flow of goods and services from suppliers to customers. Sales manager. Leads a team to achieve sales goals and expand market reach. Customer relationship manager. Focuses on building and maintaining client relationships. Business development manager. Identifies opportunities to grow the business and increase revenue. Public relations manager. Manages the public image and communications of a business or organization. Corporate trainer. Conducts training programs to improve employee skills and productivity. Actuary. Analyzes financial risks using mathematics and statistics. Management consultant. Provides expert advice to improve organizational performance. Brand manager. Develops and maintains a company's brand identity. Market research analyst. Studies market trends to help businesses make informed decisions. Loan officer. Assesses and approves loan applications for individuals or businesses. Insurance agent. Sells insurance policies and advises clients on coverage options. Financial planner. Helps individuals manage and plan their finances for the future. Retail manager. Oversees operations and sales in retail stores. E-commerce manager. Manages online store operations and marketing strategies. Budget analyst. Monitors and evaluates budgets to ensure financial efficiency. Credit analyst. Assesses the creditworthiness of individuals or businesses. Payroll specialist. Manages payroll systems and ensures employees are paid accurately. Portfolio manager. Manages investment portfolios for individuals or organizations. Chief financial officer, CFO. Oversees the financial health and planning of a company. Venture capitalist. Invests in startup companies in exchange for equity. Corporate accountant. Handles accounting for large corporations. Personal banker. Provides financial advice and services to individual clients. Chief executive officer, CEO. Leads the company and makes strategic decisions for growth. Product manager. Oversees the development and marketing of a product. Leasing consultant. Assists clients with leasing residential or commercial properties. Franchise manager. Oversees franchise operations to ensure compliance and success. Compliance officer. Ensures a company complies with legal and regulatory standards. Education. Teacher. Educates students in academic or skill-based subjects. Professor. Teaches and conducts research at universities or colleges. Tutor. Provides one-on-one or small group instruction. School counselor. Assists students with academic and personal challenges. Librarian. Manages resources and helps users find information in a library. Curriculum developer. Designs educational content and teaching materials. Special education teacher. Teaches and supports students with special needs. Instructional designer. Creates digital and in-person learning experiences. Training coordinator. Organizes training programs for educational or professional settings. Principal. Manages and oversees the operations of a school. Substitute teacher. Temporarily replaces full-time teachers in their absence. Teacher assistant. Supports teachers with classroom management and student activities. Academic advisor. Helps students choose courses and plan academic paths. Educational consultant. Provides advice on school improvement and teaching methods. Reading specialist. Assists students struggling with literacy skills. Education policy analyst. Researches and advises on educational policies and reforms. Homeschool teacher. Provides tailored education in a home environment. Career counselor. Guides students in choosing careers or higher education paths. English as a second language, ESL, teacher. Teaches English to non-native speakers. Online course developer. Designs and teaches virtual courses for online platforms. Test prep instructor. Prepares students for standardized exams like SAT or GRE. Adult educator. Teaches adults in continuing education programs. Montessori teacher. Implements the Montessori method of child-centered education. Educational administrator. Manages schools, colleges, or educational institutions. STEM teacher. Specializes in science, technology, engineering, and math education. Art teacher. Instructs students in drawing, painting, and other art forms. Music teacher. Teaches vocal or instrumental music skills. Physical education teacher. Focuses on physical activity and health education. Science teacher. Instructs students in subjects like biology, chemistry, or physics. Mathematics teacher. Teaches math concepts to students of various levels. History teacher. Educates students about historical events and their significance. Language teacher. Teaches a foreign language like French, Spanish, or Mandarin. Technology teacher. Educates students in computer science or technical skills. Preschool teacher. Teaches foundational skills to young children. Kindergarten teacher. Provides early education to prepare children for elementary school. College admissions counselor. Helps students apply to universities and colleges. Educational psychologist. Studies learning processes and helps improve teaching methods. Boarding school advisor. Guides students and parents in residential school decisions. Teaching assistant, TA. Assists university professors with classes and grading. Public school teacher. Teaches in government-funded schools to diverse student populations. Private school teacher. Teaches in privately funded schools with specialized curriculums. Workshop facilitator. Leads training sessions in specialized skills or topics. Lecturer. Teaches specialized topics at universities or colleges. What career do you aspire to have? Let us know in the comments. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every step brings you closer to achieving your dreams. Stay consistent, practice every day, and believe in yourself. You've got this. For more vocabulary and English learning content, check out the playlist linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to keep growing your skills. Together, we'll reach your goals.